Alright, so I've got a brushless motor hooked up now with the NEMA 23 frame size, so it just fits right in where a stepper would have, and this controller lets me control it at 8 different programmable speeds for the time being, from 1 to 8 hertz. And you can see at very low speed it has a bit of a, I think it just doesn't have enough torque, so it goes a little bit jerky. Okay. But it's much smoother at 2 hertz, bit of vibration, but things still look pretty good. That's 2. And there's 3 hertz, which looks really scary, but it's still fairly stable. 3. And 4 is getting even scarier. And I think here I'm just running it at 2 hertz continuous just to see how it behaves. And I think some of the nuts started coming off here, so I put them back on. And I did want to do a test at the full speed, but I was very scared to do so. But here it is. And you can see the whole thing just wants to shake itself apart. So I haven't quite decided whether to keep the motor or go back to the stepper motor, since we might just have to run it at 3 hertz about, but more to come.